So you guys, I'm still out here in the rainforest, but hopefully I can grab the kids and we can do some hiking and foraging soon. I did find a place to start a garden. We're gonna do garden boxes. We're gonna build them ourselves. And I saved a bunch of seeds. If you were with me in the last episode, you would have saw that. It's been a very cold and rainy winter. And I'm finally back on the Amtrak train, headed back from Vancouver, Canada to Washington State. It's been just pouring down rain in both Canada and Washington for so many weeks now. We've had a little bit of sunshine peek through, but not much. And so I'm sitting on the train and looking out the window. You can see Canada's 15-minute cities that they're trying to build. And construction is going strong, which actually is a good thing because there is not enough housing for the people of Vancouver. It's extremely hard to find a place to live, and prices are exorbitantly high. And the same is happening in Washington State. The Chinese in Vancouver bought up so much property, and it's just not available for the citizens to use as residential. And it's making it just almost impossible for young families to be able to have children and to have enough space or to buy a home of their own, or even have any type of a yard. So there was a mudslide on the tracks, you guys, and so Amtrak put us all on some buses. So we're headed to our destination by like a giant passenger bus. It's been not too bad of a trip. But right now we're in downtown Seattle. Today we're making vegan barbecue tacos. I always try to save the seeds from the fresh organic vegetables that I buy because I want to be growing these. So I've got another little container of seeds. Red bell pepper. Healthy, organic, living, fresh, clean food. I've lined this baking sheet with natural parchment paper from the We Care company. And I have the organic cauliflower florets, some chopped organic red pepper, and I'm just going to add some organic pre-cooked chickpeas. Just gonna thinly slice this potato. So I've just put a little bit of barbecue sauce, and I'm going to sprinkle just about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And about half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm just going to pop it in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, so we're going to make our own ranch dressing with all of these seasonings. So I'm just using the whole milk yogurt by Flying Cow Creamery, and it has absolutely nothing in it except for milk and culture. Really, it's just a lot of probiotics, excellent for gut and brain health, and we are going to turn it into ranch dressing. I will put the recipe in the description below. So I'm just going to stir that up, and we are going to use this for sauce for our barbecue vegan tacos. A beautiful creamy dressing. The vegetables smell fantastic. I decided to add an extra cup of the yogurt to my dressing because my daughter felt like it was a little bit salty. So be careful if you're using sea salt. It just has more of a salt taste than table salt. And here I have some garnish for the tacos. And what I'm going to do is, instead of using a tortilla, I am going to use a lettuce wrap. We are having the biggest hailstorm right now, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I was just about to go out and start gardening. I thought it would be safe to start gardening, and I found the perfect spot. Look at this hail, you guys. This is crazy weather. And it's like almost the end of April. This is the Washington rainforest for you. Wow. It's like hailing and raining. Well, you can't do much when Mother Nature decides to pour on you. You just kind of have to go with the flow. I'm going to have to wait to put those garden boxes up, you guys. I'm making homemade almond milk today, friends, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to put in 1 date to sweeten it, and I'm going to add just a touch of cinnamon. And on this batch, I'm just going to put just a tiny little, teeny weeny little bit of honey. I'm just going to blend it for like 2 minutes. This Ninja machine is really powerful. It's pretty incredible, actually. And I'm just going to squeeze the milk out of the bag. So that's just the pulp. This is the pulp. And I'm just going to save that and put it in the granola bars. It's high protein. I have this funnel. And it makes it easier if you have a funnel, especially when you're pouring from a bowl. So there we have it. So here we have the beautiful almond milk. That's how much 1 cup of almonds makes. Quite a bit, actually. Taste test. I already did the taste test, but my camera turned off on me, so gotta do it again. Okay. Really nice, really nice. It's not too sweet. It just is enough to make the milk taste nice. And there's not enough cinnamon in there to affect anything. It's really nice. Really, really nice. You guys, if you decide to try this, I just know you're gonna love it. Wow, this is good. It really is. Recipe in the description below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.